Mulch is a gardener's secret weapon. It's a simple addition that yields big rewards. Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. Mulch is a protective layer applied to the soil surface. It acts as a blanket for your garden, bringing many benefits. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and moderate soil temperature. Mulch also prevents soil erosion and adds visual appeal. Think of mulch as a gift to your plants, providing a stable environment for growth. It reduces the stress on your plants, helping them thrive. Mulching is a fundamental practice, essential for any garden, big or small. Whether you're growing flowers, vegetables, or shrubs, mulch is a game changer. It's an easy and affordable way to enhance your garden. Mulch is a natural solution, an environmentally friendly choice for any gardener. There are many types of mulch available, each with its own unique properties. You need to choose the right mulch for your garden, considering the needs of your plants and your aesthetic preferences. Organic mulches are popular. They decompose over time, enriching the soil with nutrients. Common organic mulches include bark chips, shredded leaves, and straw. Bark chips are long-lasting, come in various sizes and colors. Shredded leaves are readily available, a great way to recycle yard waste. Straw is lightweight and inexpensive, ideal for vegetable gardens. Inorganic mulches offer different benefits. They don't decompose and last longer. Examples include gravel, stones, and landscape fabric. Gravel and stones are decorative, suitable for dry climates. Landscape fabric is effective for weed suppression, allowing water to penetrate the soil. The best choice depends on your specific needs. Organic mulches are great for improving soil health, while inorganic mulches are better for areas with low rainfall. Consider your budget and the look you want to achieve. Spreading mulch is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure proper application. First, prepare the area. Remove any existing weeds or debris. Water the soil thoroughly. Next, apply the mulch evenly, aiming for a layer of 2 to 4 inches deep. Avoid piling mulch against the base of plants. This can trap moisture and lead to rot. Around trees, create a donut-shaped mulch ring, keeping mulch a few inches away from the trunk. This allows for air circulation and prevents disease. For slopes, use heavier mulches like bark chips or gravel, as these materials are less likely to wash away. Water the mulch lightly after application. This helps it settle in place. Mulch requires some maintenance to keep it looking its best. Remember to replenish the mulch layer as needed, since organic mulches decompose over time. You'll need to add more mulch periodically to maintain its effectiveness. Keep an eye out for weeds, and pull any that emerge through the mulch. Although a thick layer of mulch helps suppress weeds, some may still appear. It's important to avoid over-mulching, as too much mulch can suffocate your plants, preventing water and air from reaching the roots. Every now and then, fluff up the mulch to improve air circulation and prevent compaction. With proper care, your mulch will continue to enhance your garden for years to come. Mulching is a simple yet powerful technique that transforms any garden. Mulch conserves water, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. It improves soil fertility and protects plant roots. Additionally, mulch enhances the visual appeal of your garden. By implementing proper mulching practices, you can create a healthier and more vibrant garden. Your plants will thrive and your garden will flourish. Mulch is truly a gift to your garden and an investment in your plant's well-being. Embrace the magic of mulch and enjoy a flourishing garden all season long.